Hi guys, it's Blake, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a few basic changes to your website or funnel inside of Justine. Things like adding images, changing text, and maybe adding a few more different things that you want on there as well. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we are inside of my Justine account. I'm in a demo account just for the sake of this video. So what you need to do is navigate to the Sites tab over here on the left. And I'm going to go into the Websites tab to show you this. This is just a demo website that I'm using. But once you get here, this is going to show you all of the different pages you have on your website. You're going to have to edit them one by one. So for the sake of this video, why don't we start with the home page. Now to edit, simply just hit the drop down for edit page, and this is going to bring you into the website editor. The cool thing about Justine is that it's no longer the days of having to edit with code on the back end. This is what's called a front end builder. So what you see is what you get. You are changing things and seeing how it affects the website in real time. So it is much easier on the user. So let me show you how to use it. The first thing I want to start out with is something simple like a logo change. If you update your logo and want to change it, simply just click on the box that it is in, and you'll see it will stick highlighted in orange like that. Now that that's highlighted, all of this stuff on the left are things that you can change that will affect it. So things like moving it around right here. But what we want to go to is changing the logo. If you want to change the logo, you're going to scroll down to image options right here, and over here on the right, click that. This is going to bring up your, I'm going to call it a Dropbox of all of your uploaded files. We have all of ours stored inside a folder. I am not planning on changing the logo, but if you did want to change it, all you need to do is up in the right hand corner, this green button, click upload file, find the file that you want, upload it here, and then you'll be able to choose it as your new logo. Now the next thing I want to show you guys is how to make some simple text changes. Let's say, for example, you have a new phone number and you want to change that. Just like changing the logo, you need to move your cursor around until your box is highlighted. In this case, it's the orange box. So all you need to do is click and you'll see the cursor come up, and if I want to make a change, all I need to do is delete it. And for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put it back to the way it was. But if you have a new number, you can obviously change that. And you'll notice that these weren't typed out in bold like the rest of this number were. To fix that, highlight all of this and you'll see this inspector come up where you can just hit bold again, and it is really that easy. Now, if you want to take it a step further and maybe change the color of the text, the size of the text, or the font, over on the left are things like I mentioned in the logo that will affect it. So let's say I want to increase the font size. Another cool thing about Justine is that the mobile view and desktop view are totally separate. So you can adjust the font size accordingly to where you like it on desktop. So we'll make it a little bigger, and then alternately you can go in the top left right here to a mobile view and adjust the mobile font size as well. That way they both work for each and you don't have any like weird overlap going from mobile to desktop like we used to with some programs. Down here is where you'll see the color options box. This is where you have all of your options to change the color of your text and different types of text. It's as simple as just clicking. You can get some custom colors in there, but they also have some preset colors in here as well for you to choose from. Now let's say you wanted to add something to your website that's not on there. In this case, I'm going to use a video for this example. If you want to add a video to your website, it's pretty straightforward. While you're scrolling around, you can see all these boxes highlight. To add more sections, you're going to see the plus arrow on the bottom of these. I want to add a new section below this main header section. All I need to do is click on that plus arrow, and for this example, I'm going to use a full width box. So that's going to insert this. Now all we need to do is add a row. I'm going to add a 2-column row. I'm going to add an element. This brings up all of the different types of elements you can add in here. Headlines, paragraphs, bullets, forms, videos, calendars, a lot of different things you can add here. We're going to add a video in here, and let's add a paragraph in here. And on the left right here, the video box, click on it. It's going to bring up all the tools you can use to edit this video box. And to insert your video, you're going to copy and paste your video URL in here, this box right here, and that will populate your video right here. And then you could use this paragraph box to maybe write a little bit about the video. That is a very, very simple little video addition right there, but is just to show you guys how quick and easy that things can be added in here. Now let's say you guys maybe aren't in a website, maybe you guys are just using a funnel. Let's go see how to edit the funnel as well. So right here, we're still in the funnels page. We're still in the sites section of Justine. I'm going to use our real estate demo as an example. All you have to do to edit, same as before, click the drop down and hit edit page. Now you guys notice real quick that this looks exactly the same, and that's because it is exactly the same. All of the stuff I just showed you in the website editor is going to carry over to the funnel editor as well. Without having to waste too much time, take all the stuff that I said before, apply it to the funnel editor as well, and you'll get the job done. I just want to show you guys a very quick video of how to change a few basic things that are probably going to be the most common things that you guys need to change, so I hope it was helpful.